Imagine, when you look up at the sky, you see a giant metal bird soaring. But this is not a plane, nor is it a helicopter. Autonomous flying taxis that take you from one point to another at the speed of light as soon as you get on. These machines are completely ending traffic, getting stuck in the chaos of the roads for hours. It's history. Now you just choose your boarding point and take off in seconds. There's no pilot, no steering wheel, just tremendous speed, incredible elevation, and the feeling of a journey that opens up to another dimension. Imagine a speed monster that can reach the farthest points in minutes without touching the ground. The moment you get on, the engines are activated, you rise without any noise, and suddenly a whole new world opens up before your eyes. Roads, traffic, obstacles no longer exist for you. Roads no longer need humans. Steering, gas, brakes, all of that is in the past. Here is Shane, the autonomous car. It thinks, calculates, and acts not like a human, but like an artificial intelligence. The moment you open the doors, the interior of the vehicle invites you to a completely different world. But do you know what the craziest thing is? This machine doesn't just drive, it manages the roads. Whatever comes its way, it decides in milliseconds and moves perfectly. What you are about to see is a technology that pushes the boundaries of imagination. Lazareth LMV496. It is neither a motorcycle nor a flying vehicle. It is both. Everyone who sees it for the first time has the same reaction. How is this possible? Because Lazareth LMV496 is a miracle that moves like a beast on land and takes off with the push of a button. The Flyer N542BJ is a flying vehicle that redefines personal air transportation. Giving its operator full control, this compact and agile machine takes off vertically in seconds, providing fast and direct access over short distances. It requires no runway or special pilot training. Just sit down, take control, and soar into the sky. Autonomous Robotaxi is a driverless taxi revolution that completely changes urban transportation. It delivers its passengers to their destinations in the shortest time and with the most efficient routes without the need for steering, gas, and brakes. It offers a flawless driving experience by making decisions in milliseconds in traffic thanks to its advanced sensors and artificial intelligence-supported control system. You don't have to deal with a driver or think about the route. Just get in, choose your destination, and watch the vehicle carry you flawlessly like a ghost. Kiteboat SP80 is a storm monster designed to push the boundaries of wind energy and break speed records on water. Thanks to its aerodynamic design that will make you forget traditional sailboats and its huge kite system, it reaches extraordinary speeds without using an engine and glides over the waves. Its light body and structure that makes minimum contact with the water transforms every gram of wind into pure power, creating the feeling of flying on the water. Xpeng Aero HT flying car is a revolutionary vehicle that can move both on land and in the air, completely redefining transportation. While moving on the road like traditional cars, it opens its wings with a single command and takes off, completely eliminating traffic. Thanks to its powerful engines and aerodynamic design, it reaches the target by following the fastest and most direct route without being dependent on the ground. The Ehang 216 is a revolutionary air taxi that operates completely autonomously, does not require a pilot, and carries its passengers directly in the air. Unlike traditional helicopters, it can take off from even the narrowest spaces by vertical takeoff and landing, completely eliminating traffic and providing fast and direct transportation. With its lightweight yet extremely strong structure, it glides through the sky like a drone and provides a flawless flight experience by determining the safest route in milliseconds. The GAC Ion Hyper GT is a super machine that completely changes the concept of speed, performance, and design in the world of electric cars. Thanks to its aerodynamic structure, it minimizes air resistance and glides over the asphalt, making you feel like you own the road with every acceleration. With its powerful engine, instant acceleration, and superior road holding, it transforms driving from being just a means of transportation into an experience in itself. Yutong Bus is a giant transportation machine that takes passenger transportation to a whole new level. It can carry hundreds of people at once with its large capacity, providing uninterrupted and efficient driving even over long distances. It offers a comfortable journey by adapting to all kinds of road conditions thanks to its powerful engine, high torque, and special suspension system. This giant, which is the backbone of transportation from urban to intercontinental routes, is the real ruler of the roads. DJI Agras T50 is an agricultural drone that has completely changed the world of agriculture and dominates the fields from the sky. Thanks to its powerful engines and wide spraying capacity, it maximizes efficiency by completing the work of a tractor in minutes, which would take hours. It scans every inch of the field with its high-precision sensors and performs pinpoint spraying, saving both time and resources. Xpeng X2 is a fully autonomous flying vehicle that takes urban transportation to the sky and does not require a pilot. Thanks to its compact and lightweight design, it can take off vertically from narrow spaces and reach its target directly without getting stuck in traffic. With its jet speed maneuvers and powerful propulsion system, it makes ground-dependent transportation a thing of the past and offers the user the experience of floating freely above the clouds. Self-driving delivery robots are autonomous couriers that completely change urban logistics, delivering orders on time without the need for human intervention. Thanks to their sensitive sensors and artificial intelligence-supported routing system, they find the fastest and safest route by bypassing traffic jams, climbing stairs, moving on sidewalks and reaching the target point with millimeter precision. The Podbike Fricker is the personal transportation vehicle of the future, combining the agility of a bicycle and the comfort of a car. It moves forward without being affected by weather conditions thanks to its completely closed aerodynamic design, while its electric-assisted pedals make driving effortless. This innovative machine, which goes beyond the limits of traditional bicycles, can easily pass through narrow spaces with its lightweight body and can cover long distances on a single charge thanks to its powerful battery. Zapata Flyride is a flying jet machine designed for adrenaline junkies that conquers water and air at the same time. It takes the ride to a whole new dimension by rising above the water with its jet engines and offers its user incredible maneuverability. Thanks to its balance system, this vehicle, which everyone can easily use, glides over the waves, experiencing speed and freedom at the same time. Laylee Exos is a fully autonomous forage harvesting and feeding robot that solves the most critical problem of agricultural animal husbandry. The Electroponto Go is a compact electric scooter that makes urban transportation fun, fast, and effortless. With its light and powerful motor, it climbs hills effortlessly, covers long distances on a single charge, and leaves even the busiest traffic behind. Thanks to its wide wheels and robust suspension system, it overcomes even rough roads without any problems, giving the user the feeling of floating in the air. Modi Bicycle is a speed and comfort machine that combines traditional cycling with advanced technology and adapts to all types of terrain. Thanks to its light but durable body, it moves quickly in the city and overcomes difficult roads effortlessly. While it allows you to cover long distances without getting tired with its powerful pedal support system, it offers maximum control with its driving dynamics. Geely Volocopter is a revolutionary vertical takeoff flying taxi that makes air transportation personal. It can take off instantly even from narrow spaces, eliminating the cumbersome nature of helicopters and the need for runways and airplanes, completely bypassing traffic. It provides precise transportation in the city with its lightweight and compact design, while offering perfect balance and control with its powerful engines.